Hi, I'm Sean McBride, and I'm here at Revival Freeride Skate Shop in Ogden, Utah. Today we're going to talk about the best longboard for a beginner. When beginning to longboard, you really need to decide if you're longboarding to get speed and go down hills, or if you're beginning to longboard to learn tricks and slides. If you'd like to learn how to do longboarding down big hills and get speed, you're going to need a long longboard. This will give you stability, keep you going fast, and also the wheels should be big so that they can go over any rocks or obstacles easily. On the other hand, if you'd like to learn tricks and slides on a longboard, you're going to need a shorter longboard. A short longboard is more responsive and easier to control. You'll want the longboard to have concave in the deck so you can slide properly, and you'll also want the right type of wheels. A hard wheel is great for sliding so it doesn't stick to the surface below you. So really, when beginning to longboard, you'll need to decide what kind of longboarding you'd like to do. If you just kind of want to learn to do all types of longboarding, I'd recommend a longboard that's a medium size. Don't get the longest board you see, but don't grab the shortest. Grab something in the middle and learn how to do everything. And that's how you decide what type of longboard to get when you're a beginner.